And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. We must really issue a proclamation that birds are not to be allowed to die here. The mayor wanted to issue a declaration that the birds are not allowed to die here, and the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. How cruel all they were, and how foolish they all three were, because how the declaration could work on the birds. Birds won't understand this language, but they still wanted it to do. So they pulled down the statue of the happy prince. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at the university. So, the art professor at the university of the city said that the statue of the prince is no longer beautiful, and that is why it is no longer useful. Then they melted the statue in a furnace. Then they all tried to melt the statue in a furnace. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. Foundry was the workplace of those people where the overseer of the workmen, the observer of the workmen, commented, "What a strange thing! This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. We must throw it away." So they threw it on a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying. What a coincidence! The heart of the prince's statue was also thrown at the place where the dead swallow was already lying dead. "Bring me the two most precious things in the city," said God to one of his angels. And the angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. When it was asked by the god to bring the two most precious things of the city, the leaden heart of the prince and that dead bird, that dead swallow, was brought to the god by the angel. "You have rightly chosen," said God. "For in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me." God was also pleased with the deeds, with the actions done by both this statue and the swallow. So he praised the angel for choosing the right things and said, "For in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore." Because this "for" here is because in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold this happy prince shall praise me always. Shall praise me is to praise the God. So this is a very breathtaking story about the prince and the swallow and the concern of the prince for his city, written by Oscar Wilde, which gives us a message to be good always to everybody, during the life and even after the life.